Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can track sleep on Apple Watch Series 10. So you can set up the sleep tracking through either iPhone or Apple Watch itself. So when it comes to Apple Watch, you'll need to unlock your device, then press the digital crown once to open the app view. And here look for the sleep app, that is this one, tap on it. Then from here you'll need to open settings, then enable tap at the use this watch for sleep option, then get back. Now we can once again open the sleep app and set up the sleep tracking. So here you can edit your sleeping schedule, so at what time you wake up, what is your bedtime, or at what time you go to sleep usually, more or less. Then you can enable or disable the sleep schedule, just generally manage it here. Here is the main sleep app interface. Here you can actually see your sleep data or sleep details such as sleep stages, time asleep, last 14 days statistics, and next schedule information. So once the app is set up, you can just leave it be. The only thing you really need to adjust is the schedules, and the Apple Watch will automatically track your sleep from here. When it comes to setting up the sleep track through an iPhone, you'll need to launch the Watch app first. Here, let me quickly switch off the sleep track so I can show you all over how to set it up. So here inside the Apple Watch, go into the My Watch section and look through the apps that are installed here, and specifically look for the sleep app. Now press the use this watch for sleep option, and now you can switch on the track sleep with Apple Watch, so make sure that it is enabled. And from here everything is the same as it was in the Apple Watch. So you can manage the sleep focus mode here, so choose what notifications will be led through once you're asleep, or block all of the notifications if you want to, or should I rather say which contacts will be able to reach you through the sleep focus mode, and so on. So the schedules you should set up and configure on the Apple Watch themselves. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.